Octavius is a barber. He washes, cuts, and styles men's hair. He has many customers, and they are always happy with their hairstyle. If a customer wants short hair, Octavius cuts his customer's hair short. If a customer wants long hair, Octavius trims his customer's hair just a little. If a customer wants his gray hair dyed black, Octavius dyes the customer's hair black. If a customer wants a bald head, Octavius shaves his customer's head until it's bald. Recently, a new hairstyle has become popular. Many of men in town are growing their hair long and braiding it. Octavius hopes this fad ends soon.